What if I told you that a government minister just gave birth to 83 children, and she's not even human? It sounds like the start of a sci-fi movie. But this bizarre headline isn't fiction. It's a real story out of Albania, where Prime Minister Edi Rama made global news by announcing that his AI minister, named Diella, is pregnant with 83 kids. Within hours, the internet lost its mind. Was this satire? Political performance art? A new kind of AI experiment gone wrong? Today, we'll unpack what's really going on, the truth behind Diella, the mysterious 83 children, and why this strange story might mark a turning point in AI governance and digital politics worldwide. It all started at the Berlin Global Dialogue, a major policy summit in October 2025. Edi Rama, Albania's long-serving and often outspoken prime minister, took the stage to talk about innovation and artificial intelligence. But midway through his speech, he dropped a line that stunned everyone in the room. Our AI minister, Diella, is pregnant with 83 children. For a few seconds, the audience laughed. Then confusion set in. What did he mean? Was this a metaphor? A data joke? Or something else entirely? Within minutes, international media outlets ran the story. Reuters, the Indian Express, and Euronews all picked it up, some calling it a bold metaphor, others wondering if Albania had officially entered the age of digital ministers. To understand the announcement, you first need to know who or what Diella is. Diella is Albania's AI Minister of State, a digital system built to assist in government administration and transparency. She's not a humanoid robot or a chatbot. She's an intelligent data platform, powered by advanced language models and integrated into the country's e-Albania system. Her tasks include scanning public procurement data for irregularities, detecting corruption risks, streamlining digital services, and even generating policy reports for ministers. In short, she's a virtual civil servant, one that never sleeps, never takes bribes, and doesn't play politics. Prime Minister Rama once described her as a minister without ego, emotion, or corruption, a digital public servant that serves everyone equally. But Diella's role goes beyond automation. She represents Albania's ambition to be the first European country to embed AI into core governance. So what did Rama mean when he said Diella was pregnant with 83 kids? He wasn't being literal. The children are actually AI replicas, digital assistants based on Diella's model, each customized for one of the 83 members of parliament in Rama's Socialist Party. Each AI clone, or child, is designed to support its assigned MP with tasks like drafting speeches and legislative proposals, summarizing debates and analyzing data, tracking local development projects, and communicating policy updates to citizens. Essentially, Diella is reproducing herself digitally, creating a network of 83 specialized assistants that extend her capabilities across the Albanian parliament. It's the world's first AI-augmented political ecosystem, and it's both fascinating and a little unnerving. Diella was born out of Albania's National Artificial Intelligence Strategy, launched to modernize government through digital transformation. Her architecture combines OpenAI-based natural language models with local datasets specific to Albania's governance systems. That means she's fluent in Albanian, English, and the often messy language of government documents. Behind her sleek digital interface are teams of local engineers, working under the supervision of the National Agency for Information Society, AKSI. Her systems are capable of real-time data scanning, predictive analytics, and even sentiment analysis, helping ministries gauge public opinion through online channels. But the most groundbreaking part? Her offspring, the 83 AI assistants, are all connected through a shared neural core, meaning they continuously learn from each other's interactions. If one AI detects inefficiency or corruption in a local project, the entire network knows within seconds. It's a hive mind of digital governance, and that's both revolutionary and slightly terrifying. When news broke, reactions poured in from around the world. Tech enthusiasts celebrated Albania for its bold experiment, a small country using AI to leap ahead in government modernization. One analyst from the World Economic Forum even called it a glimpse of the next era of political administration. But not everyone was impressed. Critics accused Rama of using AI as a publicity stunt, arguing that Albania still struggles with digital literacy, data privacy, and infrastructure challenges. Meanwhile, AI ethicists raised red flags. Who holds accountability when Diella makes a recommendation that leads to a bad decision? And can AI truly operate transparently in political environments? And is this a step toward replacing human judgment with algorithms? Still, Rama insists the system is fully monitored by humans and is meant to assist, not replace, human decision-makers. Albania isn't alone in this new frontier. Around the world, governments are experimenting with AI-driven leadership. In Japan, the AI mayor of Shibuya interacts with citizens through chatbots. And in Dubai, an AI minister oversees technological innovation and future planning. And in China, court systems already use AI tools to help judges draft legal opinions. But what sets Albania apart is the scale and symbolism. They didn't just create one AI for one ministry. They created a minister that can multiply, adapt, and expand across parliament. This isn't just automation, it's replication of digital authority. And it raises a critical question. If AI can now occupy positions of symbolic power, how long before it starts influencing real policy decisions? Edi Rama says Diella and her 83 children will remain under strict human oversight. But history tells us, once technology evolves, control rarely stays simple. Today, AI is drafting memos and analyzing budgets. Tomorrow, it could vote on laws. And one day, it might be the one writing them. Whether Diella's legacy becomes a story of progress or a cautionary tale depends on how responsibly we guide this new digital era. Because Diella's 83 children aren't just data models. They're a preview of what happens when governments start to reproduce intelligence itself. So yes, Albania's AI minister gave birth to 83 kids. Not in a hospital, but in a server room. It's part metaphor, part innovation, and part warning. As AI seeps deeper into our political systems, one question remains. Are we still in control of the code, or is the code starting to control us? What do you think? Would you trust an AI minister to help run your country? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoy uncovering real stories that sound like science fiction, like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the future of AI and power.